Hey there, how are you? So today I'm going to tell you how to make a really good juice for constipation. If you feel like you're bloated, you have a lot of pains and cramps, and you just don't feel good because you have a lot of waste that you can't get rid of, well, I'm going to show you how to make a really good juice to get rid of that constipation and to make you feel better. And it will help you right away. I mean, it's really, really good. Now, there's many ways of treating constipation. You can drink plenty of water. That's really good for you and good for everything anyway. So you should be drinking plenty of water during the day. You can also drink a fiber supplement. I don't really recommend any supplements like that because they usually have a lot of, artificial ingredients and chemicals and artificial sugars and everything else. So I don't really recommend that. The other thing you can do is exercise. Obviously, exercise helps the lymphatic system move all that waste. I explained that in a different video. And so exercise is really, really important for that. And the other thing you can do is also drink coffee. Coffee actually has a laxative effect in your body. So drinking coffee is really good. Just don't add any of those bad milks and sugars and flavors and all kinds of damaging ingredients. You want to drink the coffee black. Okay, yeah, you can put a little bit of sugar, but don't use just regular sugar. Use like stevia or there's many other sugars that you can use that are really good, that are not as bad as that white sugar that everybody uses. So coffee is actually good. So let's go to my kitchen and I'll show you how to make this juice, because this juice you can drink for 5 to 7 days, either the whole day or you can drink it once a day. What I recommend is you do a liquid diet. Okay, you start with about 3 days and see how you feel. If you feel okay with it, you can drink it for 5 days. If you're still feeling okay, you can drink it for 7 days and nothing else. I mean, water and juice. And it will do wonders to your body. It will just basically cleanse your liver, your pancreas, your kidneys, your entire body, your colon. Your colon needs to be cleansed every once in a while. So this will help you definitely. Okay, so let's go to my kitchen and I'll show you how to make this juice and you will feel really, really good. Okay. Okay, so welcome to my kitchen here again. So here we have pineapples, which are really good for you. It has bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties, and it also has a lot of pain relieving properties, and it has vitamin C, so it's really good. Now here I also have about 7 slices of cucumber, which increases hydration, it promotes gut health, and it manages blood sugar. And you know what? It also manages weight gain, and it alkalizes your blood. So it has a lot of good stuff. Spinach, I use about a handful of this, which has anti-inflammatory properties. As you know, it also has protein, but it also aids with weight loss and it reduces hypertension and blood sugar levels. Okay, then you can use flax seeds. Now, flax seeds, you heard before that is great fiber food. Well, it's not only that, but it also helps with your gut health, and it regulates menstrual cycles for women by balancing hormone levels, and it supports fertility not only for men but also women, right? And also it has properties and it's really good for like lowering cholesterol, blood sugars, blood pressure, and for men it actually aids prostate health. Now, celery has antioxidant properties. It aids hydration, it improves digestion, it's good for the skin. You heard that before. It also reduces inflammation and also alkalizes the blood. Carrots are really good. You can use 3 of them. I'm using baby carrots here, but you can use 3 medium-sized carrots. Now, carrots promote eye health. It balances blood sugar. It regulates blood pressure, and it also improves immunity. Now, being really good for the immune system is good all over your body, because it not only helps you stay away from any kinds of viruses, diseases, or what have you, but it also helps with your brain health. Okay. Now, apples are good for you. You heard that before. Eat an apple a day will keep the doctor away. That's very true. Apples actually lower your chances of developing cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and it also aids with weight management, and it has a lot of antioxidant properties. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but apples are the most consumed fruits in the world. So they're really, really good for you. Okay, so there you have it. Mix this up with about 24 ounces of water, and you can also add grapes if you want, green, grapes. And if the consistency of the juice is too thick, you can add a little more water. Okay, so there you have it. That's a really good juice for you. Try to make it every day, consume it, and it will do wonders to your body. If you like what you just heard, please subscribe, like, and share, and we will see you on the next video. Bye now.